Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. This is Umaira Said and the topic which I have chosen today to discuss about the parts of speech, that is adverb. As in the previous lectures we have discussed the noun, we have discussed pronoun, adjectives and verb, and today is the adverb. The word is very much obvious. Anything which modifies or adds something into the verb. So adverb is a kind of a part of speech that modifies a noun, an adjective, a pronoun, a conjunction or an other adverb. So it means that adverb is a word that modifies or add meanings into these words. So this is an adverb. So this also add the qualities into the phrase as well. Suppose if I write boy is sitting there. So here there is simple adverb, and if I say and write boy is sitting in the garden, so this there is now replaced with the phrase which is adverbial phrase. So this is how the adverb used to qualify a conjunction, a preposition, an adjective, a verb or sometimes an other adverb. So let's discuss the types of adverbs. So my dear students, there are three basic types of adverb. Number one is simple adverb. Number two is interrogative adverb, and number third is relative adverb. So now we discuss these types of adverbs one by one so that you may have a clear understanding about them. As I told you that there are three types of an adverb: simple, interrogative and relative. Now the simple adverb is further divided into few basic types. Number one is adverb of place. It means that those adverbs which are used in a sentence and which tells us something about the place. Like if you are writing a sentence and if I said you to synthesize that sentence, there will be so many other parts of speech. The word which would reflect the adverb or which would reflect some place in a sentence is said to be the adverb of place. Like there are sentences: come, here, go, there. So there are many other adverbs of place, like you may note it down as well, like up, down, inside, outside, above, below, near, for, in, out. So these all are the words which can be used as an adverb in a sentence. The number two is adverb of time. So it is very much obvious when I am writing is adverb of time, like the word which are being used, that at which time an action is being done. The adverb of place was showing at the place where an action is being done, and adverb of time shows that the time in which an action is being done. So how the time can be mentioned? You may write down one of the example is: he would come after 5 p.m. Here after, ago, before, earlier, later. So write down few: soon, since, presently, laterly, daily, never, again. So these all are those words which can be used as an adverb of time. So the next of the example of the simple adverb is number 3 is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. So adverb of manner means the way an action is being done. Like in which manner, in which way an action is being done. He runs fastly. She writes well. So these are the words which can be used or said as an adverb of manner. Like here we are dealing with the manner, the way. Like he is running fastly. This is the manner. Slowly, fastly, persistently, lazily, carefully, hard. So these are the words which can be used as an adverb of manner. The next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. So what means degree? Degree means that up to which extent, how much an action is being done. Up to which extent or degree, how much an action is being done. So you may say, for example, he is too careless. She cooks very well. So this very, although in the previous sentences we said well, like he cooks, she writes well. It means that well is an adverb and it is now qualified with another adverb of degree. So now I am fulfilling the definition which I said previously, that adverb is a part of speech which qualifies which qualifies one adjective, verb and another word. Like one adverb can be qualified with another adverb as well. So this is the adverb of degree. The next is adverb of number or frequency. Adverb of number, that how many times an action is being done. How many times an action is being done. How many times an action is being done will be categorized under adverb of number. Like I have read this book thrice. So if someone asks you what is thrice, so you would say that this is the adverb of number. I have visited him twice a day. So what would this twice? This will be the adverb of number, that how many times this action is being done by a person. Now the next is adverb of affirmation. Affirmation or negation. Affirmation, when you say something yes, and negation means when you say something no. Adverbs of affirmation and negation can be dealt with like it is not my book. I shall certainly help you. So this certainly, this not will be categorized like the adverb of affirmation and adverb of negation. So this was the kinds of simple adverb. The next is the interrogative. The word is very much obvious when we write interrogative verb. Interrogative adverb means when you ask some questions, and now the question which I say that the interrogative adverb will be based on the adverb of time and the place, on the manner, on the degree as well. Suppose if I say, where were you? So this where will be adverb of place. How long would it take to complete? So this how long will be deal with adverb of degree. So this is a why or where or why are you doing this? If I say why are you doing this? So this, why are you doing this? So this will be the adverb of reason. Like here, I need some reasons to justify. So this is adverb of reason. This is how we deal with the interrogative adverb. The last topic regarding the adverb today is relative adverb. As in the pronoun we discuss relative pronoun, here it is relative adverb. So it is a kind of an adverb which will be used in between the sentence and join one part of sentence with another part. Suppose this is the place where I was born. Now this is one part of sentence, this is one part of sentence. So here if someone asks you that what is the relative adverb, so where will be the relative adverb, and if I want to know the class of this adverb, so where will be used for the adverb of place. The next, if I write the sentence, I don't know why he disobeyed me. Why he disobeyed me. So this why will show the adverb of reason. This is the one part of sentence and this is the rest part of sentence. So my dear students, this is the simplest understanding of adverb, and to make your job more easy, so any word which can be if you add ly into it turn into adverb, like hard into hardly, fast into fastly. It means that when you add ly to a noun, to some adjective, so this will turn into adverb. So this was the topic for today. Your practice exercises will be provided in your WhatsApp group. So stay in touch with your WhatsApp group with all your CRs and the GRs and your assignment submissions as well. See you with the next part of speech tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.